Okay, so no music, no whatever. What we got here is a genuine Denso first generation electric water pump. This would have been a port installed option from 1962 at the port, or factory installed maybe prior, an FJ25. I know these go back prior to the 1959 model year, but this would have been like an FJ41. Shows a straight bracket, but a little bit on the incline bracket. I include one of my gold zinc incline brackets that will come with it. I filled it up with some water today because I figured that, you know, if I'm going to be the promoter of the bench test video, well, this is all more reason to bench test this one, right? I bench tested it when I first got it, but it's going to make a mess. I don't know how I'm going to turn it on exactly and do this at the same time, but these come with it. These are the first generation squirters. They have one nozzle each. Well, I guess we just hang on to it and see what happens, right? So here we go. And it's a fully charged battery. And that'll be the front of your 45 LV. And that's pretty healthy stream. If you can't see, that's pretty healthy up on the mirrors. That's with your overhead wipers. This would have been like with your TNK washer pumps. Get in there, there's a glass pump on a shaft, and that's it. Genuine Denso. We turn this soaker off. But it does come with the OEM blue tint hose, and that's genuine Denso. And you'll notice one thing. So I tell if something's been used. See that? Now I put them little marks on that there, but you see it, there's no track marks on there. They're called witness marks. And there's no witness marks on that side either. This has never been plugged in. I used alligator clips, but 100% NOS test video. That's glass, and that's how they are. That's the glass propeller. That's a glass tube, and that's how they were back in the day. And yeah, you gotta be very careful with that. This is why you see a lot of these bottles, but no pumps. But that is an original genuine Denso. There's nothing like Denso, is there? Doesn't like you smell a Denso in the morning. Denso. And she works. Bench test video.